Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. You're back? You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties.
Remain seated and supervise younglings.
Good luck. Friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. That autopilot better be working, otherwise it'll be a short mission. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Focus up, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. Catch 1 bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. Didn't work. We can only follow up. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. She will be fine. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Engineers, grab the crates with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Stay off the comms, Amaka. You're not gonna make it. Nice line. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo, now. I got you. Let's head out before there's any surprises. Time to jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Oh, you brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will fetch many credits for me. And some for you too, of course,
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ralta loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? Sounds like... Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
Cargo next to right this way.